Guys, Matti here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're out here at Helensvale today, looking at installing some skylights for a customer. Just bring in some natural light, so stay with us, we'll show you the process. Alrighty, just on the cleanup stage, I'll show you the final product. So this is our bathroom. So this was the middle of the range, but as you could see, still produced such a large amount of brightness, natural light into the bathroom. And we come over to our Brighten Up Skylight. Yeah, beautiful finish. Come up very nice. Yeah, alrighty guys, so we've just finished the internal roof works. As you can see behind me, this is the bathroom. This is what it looks like in the roof space. This would be the Heavenly skylight. I'll show you the kitchen. So both really good products. We'll go down and we'll show you the inside works now. Alright, so this is the kitchen area. You can already see sort of the lighting difference just outside the kitchen. So we've opted to put the Brighten Up skylight, which will take care of the whole kitchen area. We also have the bathroom as well. As you can see, no light gets in here at all. So we'll put an additional skylight, which will extend all the way through out to the tiles and give us great lighting. Also save on power by utilising these. Hey guys, so as you've seen in the first video, half the room was completely dark. Now the new skylight in the kitchen just completely lights up the room with natural light. Very good. Now this is the bathroom, and as you can see how bright that is, again lights up the entire room. That's going to save the customer plenty of money on power, electricity, so she is very, very pleased. Yeah, so if you're looking to get your skylights done, guys, brighten up the house, give us a call. Happy to help.
All Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.